Our average attention span has dropped to just 8 seconds. Ayurveda says when your mind is scattered, your prana, your life force leaks away, leaving you more anxious, unfocused, and exhausted. Most people today aren't tired, they're scattered. Too much noise, too many tabs open, and too many shoulds. Modern science calls it cognitive overload. Ayurveda calls it Vata imbalance, atimatrika of your senses. Both agree. Focus returns when your energy is restored. Where focus goes, your energy flows. You've heard that, right? Ayurveda goes deeper. Where your energy flows, your life force grows. That brilliance, that clarity is Tejas. Tejas, your inner fire. When your Tejas burns bright, your mind is sharp, your purpose very clear, and your energy steady. But when that flame flickers, your doubt, you delay, distract, and you drain yourself. Focus isn't about grinding harder, it's about managing your inner fire. That fire. How do you reignite that fire? Increase your focus and energy. Number one, find meaning. Fuel your focus when what you do connects to your purpose. Your brain releases dopamine, the fuel for motivation. Ayurveda calls it your Dharma. When you act with meaning, your prana aligns and energy flows freely. What you can do each morning, write down your top three priorities and one reason why they matter to you. Meaning gives direction, and direction gives focus. Calm your mind and your nervous system. Anchor your energy. You can't focus from a flooded nervous system. Chronic stress raises that cortisol and shrinks your prefrontal cortex and your focus center in your brain. Ayurveda calls this a vata disturbance. It dries, it shrinks, and it constricts. What you can do, start your morning with 2 minutes of deep breathing before you check your phone. Most of us are guilty. Midday, pause, close your eyes, take five slow deep breaths and ask, where's my energy right now? This 1 minute of awareness brings your prana home, shifts your energy, and refocuses your mind. The result, you shift from reaction mode to creation mode. Number three, I would say flow with the nature. Manage your energy, not time. Research shows focus peaks in the mid morning between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. And again, it could be different for everyone, but just to align with nature. Ayurveda calls this the Pitta time, the perfect for precision, performance, and productivity. Practical step to improve that. Schedule your deepest work during those hours. Between tasks, stretch, walk, breathe for a minute. This cools and resets your inner fire, your tejas. Eat warm, regular meals to keep blood sugar and your mental energy stable. When you align with energy instead of fighting it, your focus feels more natural, not forced. Every day, have 5 minutes daily reset plans because focus isn't built in a day, it's maintained moment by moment. You know, Couple minutes of deep breathing few times a day, a minute to set your three priorities, just hourly, 3 hourly, or a whole day, a minute to stretch or walk between your tasks, a minute of gratitude, reflection before you end your day. That's it. 5 minutes to refocus your energy and reshape your day. The truth, you don't have a focus problem. I truly believe that you have an energy management problem. Or those who say, I don't have focus. Protect your focus like a sacred fire. Because when your Tejas burns steady, you don't chase focus or clarity. You radiate it. Thank you. Have a very focused and pleasant day.